Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ledger Nano X to Android. Open Ledger Live on your phone and choose the Manager tab to begin pairing. Turn on Bluetooth and follow on-screen prompts to add a device, confirming codes on both the Nano X and the Android screen. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and try again, and always update firmware when prompted to ensure compatibility and security. Start by opening Ledger Live and selecting Add Device, then pick Ledger Nano X and follow the guided flow. When the app displays a pairing code, compare it to the one on your Nano X and confirm the match to secure the link. Grant any Bluetooth and location permissions Ledger Live requests so the connection is stable. Once paired, access the manager to install or update apps for your cryptocurrencies and test a small transaction to verify everything works. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers that seal tightly and fit neatly in backpacks, so you won't worry about spills while you manage crypto on the go. They're compact and dishwasher safe, perfect for busy days between transactions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you encounter issues, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, and retry pairing in Ledger Live. A quick restart of both the Nano X and your Android device can often clear temporary glitches that block Bluetooth communication. Make sure Ledger Live and the Nano X firmware are up to date before adding accounts or sending funds. If problems persist, try pairing with another Android device to isolate hardware problems and consult Ledger support for device-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.